Vegan Ilocos.
Vegan. This tourist spot is okay. We're here in the horse. And we're moving pretty fast. We're here. We're here, alright. My mom used to go to Vegan Hotel, but now it's closed.
It's closed na?
Yes. Sorry. I love the ride. And this is a tourist spot. We're here in Vegan and we're gonna buy something. We're going to Mania's house.
Horse are coming. Horse are coming. Horse are coming.
Wow, there's a...
Sarap naman sumakay sa horse, na?
Yeah.
Before, when people before a long time ago, we weren't even born yet, the people used to ride a horse because there's no car. The vehicle is horses because there is no car, only horse.
And before it was 2024 and cars became invented.
Yes.
And they no longer ride cars.
They didn't invent horse. It's God's creation.
They know.
Look at the horse, so it's a girl.
Wow.
Because she has a flower in her hair.
Yeah. Yes. A boy.
Yung pinili mo yan kasi girl.
Papa.
Kasi yung kila Coco, boy. Kasi they're boys.
They're girls and
Iyan! Iyan! Iyan!
Kaya iyan! Papa!
Iyan! Narap ka rito! Picture!
Ang kaganda dito sa Vegan.
So nice. So beautiful.
Bukas sa San Luis tayo.
Gusto mong bilisan din.
Wow.
Nahulog tayong lahat dito. Nabibilisan daw. Bigat tayo ng kabayo yan. Kawawa naman yun.
There's another.
It's a boy.
There's another horse boy. And there's a girl in it.
Kain naman, damo lang.
Oh.
Wala na masyadong ancestor lang. Yung mga luma.
Lumang bahay.
Yun na, yung nadaanan namin. Atin. Sabi, ikot daw sa mga malilibutan, di ba? Pasko daw, sa Pasko, dadaan tayong dagat saglit. Ruby Jar Factory.
Wow.
Diba tayo sa dala ko?
Ha?
Galing sa.
Banga na.
May decoration pa. Mama, paano yan na nagtitikit? Simbahan. Ayun ang bahay. Ito, sementeryo. Kuya,
Oh, it's a small cemetery.
cemetery number
Very tiny cemetery.
13. About Luma. Lumang bag.
Lumang house.
Bag.
Ah, pwesto ng museo.
Limbong. Ito na ba?
Wow!
Wow.
It's a beautiful house.
Yes. Lumang bahay. Nagtraffic siya. Is a horse?
Vegan Heritage Mansion.
Nandiyan po yung bahay ni Diego Silang, kulay dilaw.
Diego.
Dito na yung pinakasentro ng kalye.
Ayun, ito yun. Yung sinasabi ko.
Pinakasentro ng bahay ng Kastila, yung panahon nila.
That's what I'm talking about.
Wow. Cafe Evelyn. Ano? Yung bahay dati.
Ah, yan ang bahay.
Yes. It's a gray one.
Yan po, kailan na. Ah,
Oo.
Wow! Wow! Kaganda dito.
May pang-vlog ako.
Wow. Welcome to Vegan Heritage.
Dahil tao.
Dami.
Ingay. Starbucks.
Starbucks, sabi, o, libre mo ako mamaya. Ito na.
Wow.
Ha? Buy me coffee, ha?
But I don't have any. But I don't have any money.
Yes, may money.
I don't have.
Lahat.
I didn't bring my phone.
How are you doing something with pouch?
Bag nito.
Ano ba yun? Ayun, o. Ito ko, fresh fries, o. Fresh fries.
Bakit nagre-ring yung bell?
Kasi may dumadaang horse. They need to move aside. Excuse me.
Ka pa yung malong.
This is disabled boy. Tata yung first. Tata.
Nasaan ba tayo?
Vegan Heritage Shop.
Yan.
Vegan Heritage. Paasa.
Okay, we're here na ata. Nakaikot na tayo.
Marami oras. There's a boy horse. There's a girl horse.
Hapsan. May hapsan dito. Series green. Okay, we're here na.
We're done.
Bye-bye vlog. Bye vlog.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye vlog.
Hey.
May reverse ah. Galing ah. Okay, done.